Hello good people, welcome to the Zero Code channel. We specifically work on different product reviews just for you. We took our time and invested our energy to do extensive research on different products available in the market coming from different brands. The research included is checking out all the exclusive features, the durability, and also the reliability of the products. Our team is very experienced and they're working relentlessly so that you can find your perfect product. So be with us, support us, and pick your best product from one of them featured in the video. Thank you.
Number 5. iCock Single Serve. Brewzall K-Cup Pods, iCock 505 K-Cup Coffee Maker, compatible. 30's quick brewing technology, you can enjoy a fresh cup of coffee. Just press one button to make great 1-cup coffee. Allows you to brew 6+ cups before having to refill. 2 years warranty for K-Cup Coffee Maker. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Mueller Austria. Mueller Ultima is designed to fit all 1.0 and 2.0 K-Cups, and most other pods. With 5 different brew sizes available, you choose the strength you want. Proprietary technology ensures coffee brews quickly. Large 45 ounces removable water tank. Certification and warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Keurig K155 Pro. Styled to impress, this Keurig coffee maker offers the features. Touchscreen interface. Pour over water reservoir. Choose from 4 different brew sizes, 4 ounces, 6 ounces, 8 ounces or 10 ounces. Only Keurig commercial coffee makers offer the option to easily drain. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Keurig K250 Single. 4 K-Cup Pods, a water filter handle plus 2 water filters. Allows you to brew 4+ cups before having to refill. Multiple K-Cup pod brew sizes, 4, 6, 8, 10 ounces. A strength control setting allows you to brew a bolder cup. Only by opening and closing the brewer handle, without a pod. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Cholux Single Serve. Single cup coffee pod, and stainless steel design. Visible, gradient water tank 4, 6, 8, 10 ounces. Quick brew, and auto shut-off system, simple one-touch button. Concealed needle, and removable drip tray for safety. Quality assurance BPA-free material for water reservoir. Please check the description for details and best price.